Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good solid day. A couple of nice breakouts, and then a failure, and then another breakout and a failure. But the price continues to trend upwards, and really the easiest way to see this quote-unquote trend is by keeping a very close eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is a very well-known, a very famous, moving average within the world of charts. And you can see that now after today. This has a very apparent, very evident upward slope to it, and that upward slope is going to continue. So from more of the overarching standpoint, as long as the price does continue to stay above that purple line, that's what you want to see. That is a good sign of power. And as of now, the price isn't anywhere close to that area, so that's not being threatened to be broken or anything like that. But I mean, even if the price were to break down below that purple line, you still do have this area down here at 175 as an area of support. But as of right now, you still do now have two what I would consider good, solid, firm areas of support if the price were to pull back some more. Now, as far as today is concerned, I'm going to make a little bit of an adjustment. And the question becomes, right, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And I'm going to go ahead and adjust this area of resistance up to what now seems to be the new kind of annoying level. And that sits right up there at 202. And not to insult your intelligence, but I needed to move that red line, and I needed to adjust it in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. Whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, that is a good step in the right direction as far as the bulls are concerned. And that's what need to be need to be accounted for here. Now, if the price does break above that 202, I wouldn't celebrate too quickly because you do have that big old looming 200-period moving average not that far up above you, which sits right now valued at 209.50. So keep an eye on that. But those are going to be the next couple of areas of resistance to watch moving forward. But at the end of the day, the moral of the story here is the price is putting in higher lows, and that's ultimately what matters most. As long as the price is building higher lows, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So let's see what this one has to offer on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.